Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making access safe and simple. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent airbag faults, then slide the seat fully back or remove it from the car for room to work. Once the seat is accessible, unclip trim panels and remove visible bolts while noting their locations. This saves time reassembling. Make sure to unplug any electrical connectors and set fasteners in labeled containers. Doing these first removes obstacles, so you can get right to the cushion repair without surprises. Once done with disassembly, diagnose the cushion. Feel for compaction, locate torn seams, and check for broken support rods or springs. If foam is degraded, cut a high-density replacement to match the original profile and adhere it with spray adhesive or contact cement. This restores support and ride height. For localized damage, use a foam filler or an upholstery repair kit and stitch tiers with heavy nylon thread. Make sure to maintain original contours so the cover fits back smoothly. Finish by fitting the cover back over the repaired foam. Stretch it evenly, secure clips or hog rings, and replace any damaged fasteners so the cover sits taut. Once reassembled, reinstall the seat, reconnect wiring, and reconnect the battery. Test power adjustments and airbag system lights to confirm everything works. If things look uneven or ride height feels off, recheck foam thickness and cover alignment, adjust padding, and verify clip positions. This troubleshooting step corrects common fit and comfort problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.